Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem at hand. Our transformer architecture seems to be throwing an error regarding the mismatch in input and output tensor sizes. The issue seems to stem from the forward method, as indicated by the debugging statements. As we debug further, we found that the extra dimension in the attention mass is affecting the output dimensions, causing the assertion error at the end of the training loop. Now, the solution to this problem lies in adjusting the shape of the attention masks. The key padding mask should be of shape batch_size, sequence_length, while the attention mask should be of shape batch_size, target_sequence_length, source_sequence_length. By correcting the dimensions of these masks, we can ensure that the output dimensions align properly with the target tensor dimensions, resolving the mismatch error. In summary, by modifying the dimensions of the attention masks to match the required shapes, we can address the tensor size mismatch issue in our transformer architecture. This adjustment will ensure that the output dimensions align correctly with the target tensor dimensions, resolving the error encountered during training. Remember, in the world of transformers, attention to detail is key. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy coding!